What if every holiday dish you made was seasoned not just with salt and pepper, but with a dash of compassion? Picture this. In place of flour, you sift in a cup of community care. Next, you sprinkle volunteering. Add warmth beyond what an oven can provide. Toss in a handful of sharing and top with a pinch of support. Suddenly, your recipe isn't just nourishing bodies, but hearts too. That's something truly special and unexpected. Giving back actually makes your meal more memorable than any gourmet spice could. That's the true secret ingredient. This year, we're cooking up good deeds with the new West Cookbook for a cause. Real recipes, real acts of kindness. Want a taste? Add your name to the list to get dibs when the cookbook drops November 17th, 2025. All proceeds go to the Royal Columbian Hospital Foundation. Click the link in the description, share this with a friend, and help us make this holiday the most meaningful yet.